Good evening, Bobcat fans. Bob Britt here, Bobcat Outdoors. Hey guys, today I'm back down here at Chickamauga Dam trying to find some bait and gonna do some bumping. But today I got a special guest on my boat, Magic Pat. Woo!
What's up?
We're gonna get out here and try to stick some pigs this evening, guys. Hey, y'all stick around. Let's see what we can make happen.
Ooh, right here by the boat. There's the toad. Yep. That's a little star back there. That's a little floating. Yep, to the net. Floating to the net. Oh yeah, that's 35 all day or better. Look at that fish. Woo! That's a good fish. Wow. Look at that big ugly. Man, that's a big old fish.
There he is, guys, 28.6. He's got a big old scar on his head, man. This right here, fish right here, been doing some fighting. He's got scars all over him. We're gonna let him go on back. Swim away so he can fight another day.
Taking a swing at you.
Yeah, he is. Hey. Hey, buddy.
I guess I'm gonna go ahead and fill up. So I'm taking down there. Got one.
Oh, let it go. Bird. See how they fish free. Pat got him a fish on. I turned my camera on when he got him nearly to the boat. Ain't a bad fish.
That's a good fish.
Heck yeah. Probably a gripper. Get him over here and not grip him.
We're coming up on that current, that ball pretty quick.
Yeah, we'll be all right. I'll spot lock us. I'll spot lock us.
Bring it on in. Let's do circus act right now.
Yeah, like a clown car. That's a respectable fish. Be sure to go to demondragons.com and check out the best line rattlers on the planet. Use code Bobcat20 to save 20% off your checkout.
That's 80, so you can.
Okay. I don't want to horse it.
If you need to.
Done with you.
That's a good fish.
That is a good fish, my friend. Look how skinny he is, though.
Skinny.
They're spawned out, man.
Wow.
Spawned out, all of them are.
Wow.
Sweet, dude.
I was just doing my begging act.
Yeah, it worked.
Well, let's see what we got here.
Pat's first fish of the evening, guys. That fish probably 25 pounds if he had his belly back on him, but he is long and skinny. These fish are spawned out. They've had one thing on their mind in the last month, and it ain't been eaten. You need pliers, they're right there. Oh, you go.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, I do.
Man, look at the scars on it.
Yeah, fighting.
Wow.
These
That's
fish
awesome.
are spawned out. That's a good fish,
Y'all see
man.
his face, y'all?
That's just what, almost like 15, 18.
I'm gonna say 16. What are you holding by?
Put him, I'd put the hook through that, right there like that.
It's 14.7. 14.7. That's not bad.
Bigger than the one you caught yesterday, ain't it?
I ain't caught much of nothing. It's good to see. Take a picture for me, or?
Yep.
Alright, whenever you get a chance, it ain't no big deal. Get him back in real quick.
Clean my lens off.
I need to set my phone out so I can get to it. Fat fish.
Give me old Joe treatment. Push him at me. There you go. That's a monster right there, Pat.
Alright. Alright, Bubba.
There you go. Sweet.
I always forget how good of a fight that is until that happens.
Mm-hmm.
That's a, look. Is that a fish?
I think so.
It's acting like a fish.
Oh, that's a fish. Complete fish. Drill down on it.
That's a fish.
Fish on, guys. Finally. It's been a long time coming. Uh-oh. Is it taking drag?
A little bit.
Ah.
It feels like a good fish.
All right. About time, man. I don't know how many hours we've been out here without a bite, but we finally hooked up with one.
Right.
Fishing about a 40 something foot deep hole. We marked some fish coming into it. We finally got Pat on our first anchor fish.
This is awesome, by the way.
And it's coming on a mad cat too. The white ghost. Heck yeah. Yeah, it's a slow takedown, man.
Yeah. See, with the current though, I can't tell if he's got a lot of weight or.
Yeah, and he's pretty deep too.
Going back the other way, you little brat.
He's gonna do what he's gonna do.
Yeah.
Guys, I've almost forgot how to anchor fish, I'll be honest with you. Hadn't done this in a while. But the bump, we caught 2 fish bumping this evening. And we decided to come out here and anchor up on a few holes. Heck yeah. I hope it's a toad, man.
Yeah. ought to see him here in a second.
I hope it's flathead.
It's a blue. I think
Is
I seen.
Yeah.
I think I saw that it was a blue.
Got a little heat lightning in the background.
Yep. Hey, look at this thing, Bob.
Ooh, ooh, yeah. That's a good fish. That's a toad.
He did get the other line.
That's
though.
all right. We'll sort that out. We'll sort that out when we get there.
Yeah.
That's probably 30, what you say?
Yeah, I think so.
Pat's savoring this moment.
Oh yeah.
You don't want to horse a big fish. Let him wear themselves down. He's got at least one other line in him. Oh, that's a toad.
He might be in the 40s. I don't
He
know.
might be, man.
He might be.
He's getting bigger the closer he gets to the boat.
Yeah. Right. Work his way back.
I see the swivel.
Yep. Should be coming up any second now.
We got color. Oh, that's a big fish.
Oh, he did not like
He
that.
didn't like. Oh, he didn't like the net.
He did not like the net.
He saw that net and he's woo gone. He said,
Wow, man.
every time he sees a net, this fish has been caught before, boss. Why is this? Oh, I bet you that's the one that he's tangled in.
There he is.
There he is. Oh, that's a big fish. He's in the net.
That's a pretty big fish.
That is a big fish.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a lot bigger than I thought he was.
Yeah, man, that's a toad.
Whoa, dude.
Oh, yeah.
What in the world?
It's a skin.
Dude, what in the world? That's a, got a pig in the boat right here, boy. Look at how big this thing is. Oh.
He's got a pretty good belly on him.
Yeah, that's a pretty big fish.
Yeah, he's not happy.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get a quick video. Now I'm gonna pick him up. Alrighty.
Yeah, take him back here and put him in the sling.
Yeah, how about that? Oh.
Yeah.
He don't like it either. He's biting me.
Oh, yeah. Kind of tuck his nose up into one end of that thing.
All right, fish.
Fish this size, I'll stick his tail in there too. Let me get this scale on. You want to do it or you want me to? I'll tell you what, I'll do it and you film it.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm gonna get my phone and film it also while you.
12 pounds, yep.
Woo. He's still fighting.
Yeah, he's
I
not
just
happy.
caught this pig. Bob's gonna weigh it for me real quick. 38.3. 38.3.
Whoo!
It
Big-
touched 40 for a second, but
Big fish of the night, guys. Good job, my friend.
dude,
He's close enough to 40.
yeah. I'm gonna have to. Let me turn this off. I'm gonna take this off. Cause I figure we're
Oh
probably.
yeah, we gotta get a picture with him.
Yeah.
I'm working on it, man. Give me a sec. You should have said, hey Bob, I'm fixing to pick this fish up.
It's all right. I had to get him. Had to get him wrangled in.
Should get his tail to straighten now. There you go. That's well, one more. You can see his eye that way. That's better. Heck yeah. All right.
All right. Mad?
There you go. He swam down. Good job, my friend.
I'm covered in fish.
That's all right. That's a good night. You get covered in slime, you know you done it right.
Covered in fish. I don't know what all y'all saw. The camera was all tilted up and everything.
But that is a respectable fish, though, man.
He fought like a fish way bigger than what he was, too.
Well, the way he took it down, I thought it was a small fish because he just took it in his mouth and swam off with it.
Actually, he sat down. I set the hook on him.
Oh,
He was
really?
just sitting there with it. I thought he had let it go, and I reeled up, and then he was hung for a split second, and whatever was on popped, and then he was fight on. And that, make sure you check that line. It was frayed, so.
I'll check it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it tonight for me and Magic Pat here. We had an awesome time out here tonight. We only caught what, 3 fish?
Three
tonight?
fish.
But hey, can't complain about it. You know, the weather was good, the water was good. Fish are coming off the spawn, so they're lean and looking to feed. So we figure the next couple of weeks is gonna be pretty good. But guys, I want to thank y'all again for joining us for another episode of Bobcat Outdoors. And if you're not already subscribed to this guy, what you waiting on? Awesome dude, awesome angler. Guys, thank y'all for joining us again tonight. And as always, I want to tell you, God bless and have a great evening.